Today we're taking a look at the MARBERO portable power station. Okay guys, so this can handle up to 120 watts total. So always keep that in mind. So you're not going to be able to run like a space heater that is over 120 watts or anything that's over 120 watts. And I do want to point out that 120 watts, that's peak. So that's when you plug something in, it spikes to 120 and then it drops back down. So 80 watts is about what you can run just consistent. So let's go ahead and show you guys here. You have a 2-prong port, and then you also have a grounded port. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports. You got your DC out and your USB-C. Also get a light on the side, which is nice. DC in as well. If you have your own solar panel and hookup, you can use a solar panel with this as well. So pretty nice. To use this, you simply turn it on here. You can see the power level right through there. Turn the light on. Little emergency light. 3 light modes plus the emergency mode. And that's actually really bright. So that's awesome. So that's going to light up when it's active. So you need to turn this on for the AC ports, and then you'll see it's active. It'll light up there. It's a little tough to see, but there you go. Turn it off and it'll go away. Same for this power for all these. They give you a 12-volt adapter and also your standard charging plug. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure this is powered on. We're going to connect our Type-C to Type-C port. Take our cell phone right here and it should light up, letting us know it's charging. There we go. We see that it is charging and it's a fast charging. But overall, this is just really nice. A great way to have portable backup power if you're camping, for your off-grid bag, just at home if you lose power. For whatever reason, it's always great to have backup.